Hello everybody. So today I would like to show you how to practice Stata following the introducing data sample session. So all of the talk today I will follow this one. So now we move to the practical. Okay. So now go to File and I will download the data from Stata. So go to File and you can see the example dataset here. Click on this one and you can see there are some datasets that has been installed with Stata. And click on this and we can see lots of dataset here. So I use the first one and click Use. So after click Use, you can see the dataset appear on the workplace here. Okay, so now first of all we need to know how our data look like. So you go to data and you go to data editor and click on browse, and you can see that our variable on the column, right? And so like make, so they already explain make and model, and also price of the car, and what is MPG. So they explain here MPG, that means mileage. And so the rep 78, that means they explain is the repair record in 1978. And also you can see other information like length or weight and gear ratio. And the last column is the foreign. Foreign here, that means the car was made in for overseas or in the domestic. Okay, so now we move to the descriptive statistic. Okay, now you go to statistic and summary and descriptive statistic, and go to summary statistic. And if you want a particular variable, you can choose from the list here. However, they say leave empty for all variable. So now I want to see the statistic for all variables, so I leave empty here. So I just click on submit. Yeah, so you can see that the variable make here there is no observation. So what does it mean? Because make here it is a text twice. So that's why they have no numeric variable. So there is no information about mean or standard deviation. And however, the price here and other variable, you can see they have 74 observation, except rate 78 only have 69 observation. So that means there are 5 observation is missing for rep 78, right? And now we need to check whether or not make is a text twice or not. So why make here there is no observation. So now we move to check to understand the coding of our data. So now you go to data and then you go to descriptive data and codebook. Yeah, so I also leave empty for all. Submit. Now we can see here make is a try of coding is a string. That mean this is by text twice. So they make example here for you. So it is a not numeric value. So we don't have any information about mean or standard deviation. So now like a price, you can see here. the numeric. The try is a numeric. And also we can see the rep 78. They say the missing value is a 5 observation, right? And the last variable is a foreign. Foreign here is a dummy variable. So now they say the label 0, that means domestic, and 1, that means foreign. Okay, so that means if 0, that means the car is made in the domestic, and 1, that is the car made in the overseas. Okay, now we want to see, before we already know the red 78 have a 5 observation of missing, right? So now we want to check whether what kind of car that have a missing value. So you go to data and go to the list data, okay? And list data, so we want to see like a make. And if we check, we click on by if in here and check if missing say rep 78 and click submit. Yes, and we can see here that as five try of car that have a missing variable for the red 78. That means the replace record in 1978. So there are 5 try of car have a missing value for red 78. Okay, so now I want to have additional statistic. So I can go to statistic and the same, I click on summary statistic. But now I want to display additional statistic. Click on submit. And now we can see they have some more information. For example, the price here, they have a percentile, right? And skewness or something like that. Standard deviation, mean, variance. Yeah. And here you can see 75%, 90%, 95%, and 99%. That means they are 4 highest for the most for expensive car. So for example, 99%, that means this price is higher than 99% compared to other car. Okay, so now if I want to check what try a car that have a higher the price higher than $13,000. So I go to data and I go to data editor, browse. So you can see the filter here. It look like Excel, right? And click on this one, and you try price greater than 13,000. Greater than 13,000. Okay. Apply filter. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So that are 4 try a car that has a price greater than $13,000. So you can see here it's more than $13,000. So here today I already have finished how to practice Stata with like download the data and do some descriptive statistic. Okay, bye for now. Thank you and see you again.